Hello. Two things. First, nothing tastes better than things cooked in the wood. Second, this tastes like falafel, except the fact that that is made out of chickpeas and this is made out of lentils. But even then, both of these have similar process and they are cooked similarly. Makes you wonder how food has evolved across culture and still managed to remain similar. This curry portion you are supposed to eat with rice. It's like this. Take a little bit of everything. One of these. And just take a big bite. See you next time. Until then, take care.